AI methods have become a success story and are now part of our daily experience. They have also been applied in many domains of biomedical research. The example shown here illustrates tumor segmentation based on a multi-channel MRI input. A modified UNet architecture was trained using reference definitions of non-enhancing tumor, peritumoral edema, and gadolinium-enhancing tumor seen in the upper row. The trained network can predict label maps for these compartments on new MRI data as illustrated in the lower row. However, the setup and use of AI toolkits is a task requiring a lot of insight into the methods involved, as well as specialized IT expertise. The aim of our new AI framework, PAI, is to drastically lower the entry barrier to the AI methodology for researchers analyzing biomedical images. PAI is designed as a framework allowing users to develop their own tailored AI-based image analysis solution and leveraging their own training data. The framework leverages the TensorFlow functionality while allowing the user to work within the familiar Pmod environment. And the time-consuming learning step can be performed in cloud computing environments. Training is based on a learning set comprising image data and reference segments defined by expert reviewers. Pmod's R console provides the interface to TensorFlow, and the result of training is a set of weights for the neural network. These weights are used to apply the neural network for prediction of segments for new image data. PAI is integrated into our segmentation tool PSEG, where machine learning becomes available as a segmentation workflow. Learning sets containing trained networks can be selected and applied to input image data for automated segmentation. The resulting segments are displayed on the input image data using our familiar fusion functionality and can be converted to VOIs using PSEG's convenient interface. Please contact us if you would like to find out more about our artificial intelligence framework PAI. You can already find extra information on our website www.pmod.com, or you're welcome to email us at info@pmod.com. Watch out for our latest tutorial videos and on-demand training resources.